In today's video, I am going to teach you how to take notes on the Notion app. Start by opening Notion and heading to the Getting Started page. This is a helpful launch point because it gives you quick access to key areas of Notion, especially if you are still setting up your workspace. Once you are on the Getting Started page, find and click Explore. This takes you to a broader set of options where you can discover templates and tools that make note-taking faster and more organized. Using a template is a good idea because it saves time and gives your notes a consistent structure from the beginning. After you click Explore, you will move into the Template Marketplace area. Click in the search field at the top, where you can type what you are looking for. Click into that field so it is active, then type Notes. As you type, you should see results begin to narrow down. Next, in the search results, click on Notes. This will open a Notes template option, which is designed to help you capture and organize information in a clean, repeatable way. Templates often include useful layouts, such as sections for titles, tags, and quick sorting, depending on what is available in the template you choose. Now click Add to bring the Notes template into your Notion workspace. If you see another Add button again on the template page, click Add again to confirm and complete the process. This second confirmation is common when Notion needs you to choose where the template will be installed. After that, you may be prompted to pick a workspace. Click the option that shows your current workspace, such as the one labeled with a member count, and confirm the location where you want the Notes template to live. Choosing the right workspace matters, especially if you use Notion for both personal and team projects. Once the template is added, click Notes to open it. This should take you into your new Notes area, where you can begin capturing information right away. Finally, click into the main page area to place your cursor, so you can start typing. A quick tip is to keep your note titles specific, so they are easy to find later. And that is all there is to it.